am Mili Trivedi from LG Institute of Engineering and Technology, and today we will solve the numerical of undamped free vibration. Now, as we have already studied about undamped free vibration basic, so that we will use the equilibrium method or any other method, whatever is easier for us. Now let us have the numerical as find the natural frequency of this system. Now as you see, there is a rigid body, okay, and the axis of the rigid body is at the nearly at the centermost position. We want to deflect or oscillate this object from O point, okay, and the distance between O and the center of gravity is height h. The total weight of this system is mg, which is put at the which is acted at the downward direction, which is mg, which is the total weight of the system. In short, we have a rigid body weighted m into g, m which is the mass, g is the gravitational acceleration, O is the oscillating point, g is the center of gravity, and h is the height from O to g. Okay, now let us assume it will move according to the direction. So if it will move towards this direction, what will happen? And if in this case, what will happen? In this case, it is from the vertically, it will make theta angular oscillation, because at the O point it is rigidly fixed and it will be oscillated. It means it will move theta angular displacement. Okay. Now, as we all know, weight will tend to act in the downward direction, which is m into g. Now let us, if it will move towards the initial position, towards outside, what will happen? The inertia torque will be in the opposite direction of the motion. Okay. Now, if the inertia force is at the opposite side of the motion, what is the value of inertia torque? It is I0 theta double dot. Basically, we have studied about I alpha. Okay. In this case, we are considering alpha, which is angular acceleration. We are considering theta double dot, which is angular acceleration. Now, because mg is a downward direction, and with respect to the axis, it is making theta angle. So what is the restoring force? It is mg sine theta. So this is our system. Beside this, we do not have any other different kinds of forces acted on a system. We have only this. Now let us have this diagram. We have two effects. One is inertia torque and second is restoring force, mg sine theta. So let us take moment about O. So for this system, as we all know, what is our weight? It is m into g. Angle moved, that is theta. Inertia torque, it is I0 theta double dot. And external force, which is mg sine theta, which is actually due to the weight. Okay. Now let us have our system. So our system has, by taking moment about O. So if we will take moment about O, what is our equation? Our equation is moment, it means I0 theta double dot, plus the force mg sine theta, but it is the force, it is not the moment. We need to calculate the moment with respect to O point. So what is the perpendicular distance? It is h. Hence we have to write I0 theta double dot plus mg sine theta into h, and all this moment should be equal to 0. Why it is 0? Because it is the equilibrium system. So let us have I0 theta double dot plus mg sine theta into h is equal to 0. Now, theta angle is very less. Okay. So that what we can write? Sine theta is equal to theta only. So that we can write I0 theta double dot plus mg theta h is equal to 0. Clear? Now, let us further solve and divide this equation with I0. What we will get? 0 is equal to theta double dot plus mg h upon I0 theta. Okay, this is our equation number 1. Clear? Now let us compare this equation with simple harmonic motion. By comparing this equation with simple harmonic motion, what is the equation? The equation is theta double dot plus omega n square theta is equal to 0. So what is the omega n square value? It is mgh upon I0. So what is omega n value? It is under root of mgh upon I0. Okay. And what is the final frequency of the system? So for the final frequency of this system, we have to solve the I0 value. I0 is equal to Ig plus mh square. Now how this will come? Now understand. From this O point, we have the Cg, Ig, we have Ig value, mass moment of inertia at G. But this O point is at the H height. Okay. So that what we can write? Mh square in the addition of that. Hence, we can write I0 is equal to mk square plus mh square. K is radius of gyration in our case. It is not a spring stiffness. We are not using spring in our case. Okay. So at here, K is a radius of gyration. So that we can write I0 is equal to m k square plus h square. Let us put the value in omega n equation. Okay. So what is omega n? Under root of mgh upon m k square plus h square. Now m can be neglected. Hence omega n is equal to under root of gh upon k square plus h square. Okay. This is omega n value. So what is our natural frequency equation? It is 1 upon 2 pi under root of gh upon k square plus h square. So this is natural frequency of the system. Clear? So this is our numerical. Now let us find the natural frequency of a simple pendulum theory. Okay. So now let us have our simple pendulum. O is the oscillation. M, we will consider the mass of the pendulum. And the length of this pendulum we are considering as L. So if we are considering total weight tend to apply on this system is mg, which is at the downward direction. If the mass will move and return, what will happen? Downward direction force mg will tend to apply. Mg sin theta in the opposite direction. Whatever in whichever the motion it is, it will move in the opposite direction and it will give us the opposite direction force value. It means mg sin theta in the opposite with respect to the motion. And what is moment? It is inertia moment which is also in the opposite direction. Okay, which is I0 theta double dot. Now, this is our diagram. We have mg sin theta, we have downward force mg and acceleration force or inertia effect is I0 theta double dot. Okay. Now let us take moment about O. If we will take moment about O, what we will get? I0 theta double dot plus mg sin theta into L is equal to 0. What is L? It is the total length. Now, according to our system, because it is vibration, the angle is very, very less. Hence, we can write instead of sin theta, theta only. Okay. And if we divide it with I0, what we will get? The answer as 0 is equal to theta double dot plus mgl upon I0 theta. Okay. Now, what is the I0 value? So now, for find out the I0 value, first of all, we have to compare this with a simple harmonic motion equation. So let us compare this equation with a simple harmonic motion equation. So it is theta double dot plus omega n square theta is equal to 0. So what is our omega n square value? It is mgl upon I0. So what is omega n? It is under root of mgl upon I0. Okay. Now, what is I0 value? So it is ml square value because our CG is at the bob of mass, center of the bob of mass. So which is mass point m. So point at CG and the perpendicular distance with respect to L square. It means m into L square is our I0 in our case. So that we have to write down omega n is equal to under root of mg L upon ml square. Hence we get for the simple pendulum our equation should be like under root of g by L. Now if we want to find out the frequency of a system, so what is the frequency? 1 upon 2 pi under root of g by L. So this is our frequency. Now students, simple pendulum are the basic kind of numericals for our system. if we want to calculate simple pendulum frequency, the equilibrium method will be the easiest one. So for our sake of interest, we have to solve nearly almost 80% of numerical by the equilibrium method. What is in the equilibrium method? First, we need to consider the weight. Second, we need to consider the inertia force or inertia moment. Then and then the system will be very easy for us to calculate as well as to understand. Okay, so if you have any query, you can ask me. If you have any doubt, you can also ask me. There are so many numericals based on simple pendulum as well as the pendulum system. Okay, we are using the simple pendulum and the combination of pendulum with respect to the spring. So if you have any doubt, you have to solve it so many numericals by your own. Then and then you will get the grip according to according to our requirement as well as in the final examination. So if you have any query, you can ask me. Okay, thank you so much.